Hey guys, how's it doing? I'm Ritesh from Saleshandy, and today in this video we're gonna learn about that how you can set up a DMARC record for your domain or email account in easy steps. So before starting out, let's know a brief about how DMARC actually works. So DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance. It deals with that if in condition your SPF and DKIM records fail in any email server, then how the email server should respond to it. Like it should reject the emails, whether it should quarantine it, or whether you should successfully release the emails for successful delivery. So this is the role of DMARC, and it ensures that your domain doesn't get spoofed and you are always free from fraudulent activities. It's also recommended that you set up SPF and DKIM for this. So to set up SPF and DKIM, you can just visit to other videos in the playlist you can find in the YouTube, or you can just visit our FAQs where you'll find steps to easily configure or set up your SPF and DKIM. So in this video, we'll talk about DMARC. So the first step in order to set up your DMARC is that you have to visit DMARC setup website. For that, what you have to do is you just have to visit this article in our doc, and you can just click on the steps to follow here, and easily you can just click on this website and it will open DMARC guide for you. Another second step is that you can just type DMARC guide in Google and it will just open up it for you. And here you have to insert your domain for which you want to configure your DMARC. So let's go at the bottom and let's paste our domain name for which we want to set up a DMARC, right? And let's just submit it. Now after submission, you can see that SPF is already set up here. So now we have to set up for the DMARC, right? So to start out, just select DMARC and let's just proceed. Next, and you just have to click next here to start the process. Now you have to select whether you want to quarantine or reject the email, but it is recommended that you keep it for none. Let the email server decide for themselves that what they have to do with the fraudulent activities that you receive over the email. So let's just click next here. Now if you want to receive reports from the quarantined email or the rejection based emails from email servers, you can just type the email addresses that you want the messages to receive for, right? But we can just skip it and we can just click next over here. Again, just click next. Now this is something which is you have to keep at default. Maybe you can keep it quarantined or rejected. This is a policy for DMARC that you want to set for the subdomains, right? So we'll just keep it none for default and let's just click next. Now again, these are all optional for you. Like you just need to keep the options at a default, and you just have to click and move ahead with a finish. And it will just create a DMARC record for you. Like you can see here is a DMARC record. And now we have to copy this and paste it in a DNS server. So if you're using GoDaddy as your domain provider or your registrar, just open your GoDaddy account. Now from the GoDaddy account, you just have to go and select your domain, go into the products, and just scroll down here and see the list of domains. So this is our domain here. So we'll just go into the DNS. Now to set up your DMARC, what you have to do is you just have to click and create a new record and just put a type as text here. And for the name, you have to give it as DMARC _DMARC. And for the value, you have to paste it, like you have to copy this and just paste it over here. And keep the TTL at default, or we can just keep it for the minimum, right? And let's just save it. And this is how you have just configured your DMARC. Now the last step is to verify whether your DMARC record is suitably configured or not. So for that, you just have to go over here and you can just check whether your DMARC is validated or not. Well, you can see that our DMARC is already validated. It's showing us congratulations sign. So these are the easy steps how you can just set up DMARC for your domain. So if you want help regarding the DMARC, you can just visit this FAQ. You will find extensive information over here, step-by-step solutions to your problems. And also it is recommended that you also configure SPF and DKIM, for which you can visit our FAQs and you can just visit our videos. There are step-by-step tutorial available for it. Thank you and have a nice day.